Hello guys! Hello! Good evening to all of you guys. By the way guys, I'm here again, your local reactor. No, I'm not a local reactor. I'm not only a local reactor. I'm your handsome local reactor from Philippines. By the way, I'm Jayson and welcome back to my YouTube channel, J-Rodix TV. Yes! So guys, for today's video, we're going to react again another Manipuri music, and this is TARASU KHONJELDO official music video release 2017. Oh wow, all we going to react this week, it's almost 4 years ago. Yeah, 4 years or 5 years ago guys, but still guys, this music guys, I'm still watching because wow, I'm so enjoy to watch this kind of a music, especially from Manipuri. I don't know guys, but we can still watching here. Why I'm saying this? Yes. So, but before that guys, yes. Just to remind you guys, one more thing. For those new to my channel guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell button for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. Alright, so we still, TARASU KHONJELDO, and the singer here are Raj Ilangbam, and the cast here are Kaba and Beju. Alright, so this is so interesting, very interesting, because we know that Beju is always, she's always in my reaction of video, so I'm not I don't have any doubt that this music is not it's not good for the others, because I know all music of the Beju, especially with the Kaba. Alright, this partner or this tandem or love team, these both artists from Manipuri guys, I'm sure guys you will enjoy to watch this kind of a music. So but before that guys, I just want to thank Tantha for always there to allowing me to react this kind of a music guys. Yes, this channel is always allowing me to react their different music, especially Manipuri music. So thank you so much Tantha, the one who upload this kind of music. Alright, so without further ado guys, let's get now and watch this video. NFM Studio, Ilangbam Komar. Ilangbam Komar present. Wow, who's this? Beju Ningombap. Oh, she's teacher here. Oh, I think Kaba is in the outside guys. Yeah. Oh wow. Guys, Kaba is, he's so dramatic actor. Yeah. Yeah. What's that? Ew. Ew. Yeah. my god. Kaba, what's that? Oh. He's in love to one teacher. Yeah, a teacher like Veggie. Wow. She's not like a teacher here. But what's this? But I mean Kaba. I like the way he acts here. I like the way you know, every time that I have a reaction, Kaba he's always doing a lot from the story, guys. Oh. Oh, he's got a little bit, guys. A village guy in love to a village teacher. Village teacher like Veggie. Look at that. I like the way they're doing, you know, making like this story. Very talented character. They're both, yes, they're both color. Their clothes, I like the rhythm of their clothes here. Oh. Oops. Oh my god, Kaba. I don't know. I don't know what to say, guys. He's so very gentleman. I like this. I like the part there, guys, with me. He's so simply an actor, but you know, very talented actor. Kaba. Wow. Perfect, guys. TARASU KHONJELDO. This title have a meaning. TARASU KHONJELDO. Wow.
Alibaba.com. B2B.
Look at that. The love team. The love team of the century. Kaba and Veggie. Oh my god, guys. That was so very funny. Yes, of course. I enjoy it to watch it, guys. I told you Kaba is a very talented actor. And Veggie, yeah. They're always giving you know, complete acting from different music, guys. That's why I told you all of them that artists there, guys, Beju, Bala, who else? Suma, or who else? There's a lot of money for artists, guys, that I love to repeat, or I want to repeat their music, even though this is old music, guys. For me, guys, there's no old for me, guys. All of these are new, because you know, as a reactor, guys, I want to share this. I want to share this because I want to give a lot of you know, support, a lot of love for this music. So for someone there watching right now, they don't like money for music, guys. I'm not here to force you to like this music, but you know, if you love somebody, guys, if you love someone who love different music, guys, give them a chance, okay? Give them a chance to, you know, these two artists, Kaba and Beju. I think these two artists, guys, they are both giving a perfect blend from the different music. So congratulations for these two artists. You're so very talented, and no doubt I was here always, guys, to support your different money for music. Alright, so guys, that was our reaction video for today. I hope you will enjoy, guys. And yeah, I'm so enjoy it, guys. Very funny, but you know, I love to hear always money for music, especially when you know these two artists are in the, you know, in the story. Alright, so wow. So guys, if you enjoy this music, please don't forget to like and share this to your communities, to your families, guys. And wow, this is a way of support, guys, when we going to share this to our families. Alright, so one more thing, guys, for those new to my channel, again, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell button for you to be updated always on my next reaction of video. Thank you so much, guys. See you on my next reaction of video. I love you all and God bless you. Bye!